Let's revisit CCIV. Guys, we're almost there. Bloomberg just released an article yesterday that there's a high potential for Merger Tuesday announcement. In this video, I will share with you the news catalyst, provide you the technical analysis of CCIV stock, and give you my price prediction for the coming week. I will also share with you what I plan to do. You probably want to watch all the way to the end of the video, so stick around. Sawasdee Krap, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. My prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. Alright everyone. Brace yourself for another amazing run of CCIV stock this week. Crystal Say at Ludlow and Dinesh Nair of Bloomberg just released a news article yesterday with the headline that Lucid Motors is set to near deal to go public via client spec. Originally, CCIV was set to raise $2 billion, while as of Friday, the CCIV combined entity value has increased to about $15 billion. Sources now say that Klein is ready to make a Merger Tuesday announcement. Of course, both Klein and Lucid Motors have declined to comment. Again, this is to protect themselves from potential legal issues. Let's verify with Fintel on how many institutions have filed their SEC 13G. From my last video, it has now increased from 109 to 140 institutions. I last stated the client will probably want to have at least 50% of the big institutions have filed their SEC 13 filings before they make the official announcement. So now that we're at this stage of merger, what can we expect the price of CCIV to do this coming week? Let's look at the day chart. On Friday, it closed at $52.94. It was down $5.11 or 8.8%. This was on 140% of normal trading volume day. I personally think the dip was pure profit taking since CCIV did have a parabolic rise and is unsustainable for it to move further. Thus, Friday's pullback was actually a healthy one. However, CCIV did form a bearish engulfing candlestick. The bearish engulfing candlestick pattern has a red candlestick that engulfed the prior day's green candlestick. This pattern is bearish during an uptrend. This signals a bearish downtrend. However, we need tomorrow's candlestick to confirm this. Statistically, it has about 85% being correct. However, due to the stock's strong uptrend combined with the recent Bloomberg's news of potential Tuesday merger, I can see this stock will continue its bullish run tomorrow. And therefore, I believe CCIV will remain overbought for a while. So if you're looking for a reason to sell, don't put too much weight on that being overbought. It did trade in the upper Bollinger Band area. This looks like a perfect bullish swing setup for a 10 to 20% gain if you're a short-term momentum trader. In my last week's prediction, I said that CCIV would be trading in the $55 to $65 range for the week. Again, my prediction was spot on. It did go as high as $64.84 before it sold off on Friday for prop taking. For this week, my prediction is that CCIV will rebound and continue its run into the $65 to $85 range. Once the merger is announced, there's a good chance there will be profit taking and the stock will dip. However, since CCIV is such a unique stock being that it's Lucid Motors, I also think there are a lot of investors who will be holding onto the shares. Therefore, it might dip a little, trade sideways, and then continue its uptrend. Because of this, I purchased a LEAP contract on Friday that expires on January 2022 with a strike price at $70. I do anticipate the stock to continue its run, especially when Lucid starts shipping out its Lucid Air to its prepaid customer come this spring. Guys, if you missed out on Tesla, Lucid is your second chance. This stock is a keeper and it will continue its run. I do see this stock being in the $400-$500 range within 3 to 5 years. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs.